Welcome to the VR Development in Unity course. I'm Jason Wang, and you can find me at Jason Wang YT on YouTube. So, let's start off with Section 0, Introduction to the course. And more specifically, Section 0.0, Understanding the course. So, let's start. This is a course that will get you started with developing VR in Unity. I decided to make this course when working on a Unity VR game over the summer. I found it hard to find up-to-date or very complete resources for VR development beginners, so I set out to make one. VR technology is rapidly developing and it's a growing industry right now, especially with the weight of Meta, Facebook, behind it. Hopefully, this course will help new learners easily get started with VR development. This course will be split up into 3 sections. Section 0 is where we are right now, a brief introduction to this course and to its contents. This will be very brief, perhaps only a video or two, as I want to quickly get into the meatier parts of the course. Section 1 is the most important section, as we will go over all the important packages, scripts, components, and other tools that we will use to build VR applications. By the end of Section 1, you should have all the tools in your tool belt to start working with VR in Unity. If you wish, you can stop here and begin to build your own projects. Those of you who wish to practice their skills at these new learned tools can follow along with Section 2, where we will build a Beat Saber-like rhythm game. By the end of Section 2, we will have a working game that can parse and play custom Beat Saber maps. Now, let's look at the resources that will be available to you in this course. This video series has an associated series of articles on Medium. While I'll try to have an article for each video, I can't guarantee this, so make sure to look out for this blue article symbol. If the symbol is present, you will find a link to the article in the description. There is also a GitHub repository maintained for the projects we'll create in Unity. Every time we jump into Unity, there will be a new commit for the changes we made in the section. Thus, if you make a mistake or wish to get a copy of my code from a particular video, you can easily pull it from the repository. Now, let's look at prerequisites. This section requires a basic understanding of Unity and C# scripting. However, it should accommodate everyone from the most skilled Unity users to those starting out. If you are not familiar with Unity and its scripting, I recommend you search for other tutorials online, then return to this course. There are tons of great Unity resources out there, especially on YouTube. Next up, materials. You'll need a computer, obviously, a VR headset to playtest your applications, the Unity game engine, and an IDE to edit code in. I'll be using Visual Studio, but you can use whatever editor you are most comfortable with. So, a wrap-up. In this video, we introduced the course and its contents, learned about what resources the course has, and looked at the prerequisites and materials we will need. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'm excited to see you in the next video.